Hi everyone, I just want to show you very quickly the Read Aloud part of Windows 10 on the top of the ribbon here. This is because I've got a student who is dyslexic and she finds it really difficult to proofread her work because her spelling is poor and she's got poor memory. She can't remember what she's written. So on the ribbon at the top here, we need to go to Review. And then at the top here it says Read Aloud. So you literally just put the cursor where you want us to start and ask it to read aloud.
The tutor will highlight in yellow any areas that you need to focus on to enhance future submissions. Make sure that you are answering the question set by reading the question carefully and linking it to the course materials.
Slow that down.
Checking the question structure for any clues.
To read for you. You've got George, Susan and
Follow the word guide length by either writing more concisely or expanding your thoughts and writing in more depth.
If you want some help with your proofreading, then this is a really good tool on your Windows 10 ribbon. It's called Read Aloud and you'll find it in Review. Okay, good luck. See you soon.